MediaTek and NVIDIA have teamed up on various projects across automotive, IoT, and data center. How are the two companies collaborating to develop cutting-edge AI products today?
MediaTek and NVIDIA are working together in many areas to make AI more accessible. Obviously, we have talked about GB10, DGX Spark. It's in front of us. It's a fantastic AI supercomputer on people's desks. We have been working together on automotive, the Dimensity Auto product line. So that's amazing. Those are our silicon partnership, but it spans beyond that. We are partnering on software. Obviously, the DriveOS software stack, the TAO toolkit for IoT, that's enabled on MediaTek IoT silicon platforms. And obviously, the NVLink Fusion partnership. That's a game changer in data center that brings together NVIDIA's AI, XPU/GPU connected via NVLink to a customer's ASIC that MediaTek can help implement at the rack level. I think these are game-changing technologies, and our partnership is kind of making AI more accessible across data center, cloud, IoT, and personal devices.
We talked about the edge, the cloud, the compute level. When our two companies sitting together, how are we kind of driving priorities?
Solving for problems for end users. If you look at like DGX Spark as an example, it brings together a couple of combinations that developers have really been looking at, is like a big memory footprint, massive AI performance in a very accessible product that can be available to anyone to go and start doing some of that work. But it's really that end user centric thinking that starts off the projects.
Yeah, and to your point on how these decisions come together, I think just to add to Frederick's point, end user perspective combined with where we both succeed. We bring capabilities on power efficient, very dense, high compute implementation of silicon, and NVIDIA brings together graphics, AI, and software capabilities along with the amazing ecosystem. Wherever those things intersect to solve a customer's problem, that's where the product is born.
And I think also then beyond the technology, it's what I find fascinating, Computex, right? Rick's keynote, and then Jensen came on stage. We are connected beyond just the technology, and there is kind of this deep-rooted Taiwan connection, but there's a global connection as well, which is really fascinating to see.
I think you see that in the collaboration that spans through the setup of the original agreement to go and build this product and develop it together. It's sort of made that giant connection between the two groups. And it always makes sure that relationship between Rick and Jensen sort of spans the entire groups and our willingness to collaborate and really work as one company.